So let's go to the PPT. So first of all, we will try to introduce some basic things about the big data testing. So big data testing can be defined as a procedure that involve examine and validating the functionality of the big data application for the used data. So in a nutshell, whatever the data I am receiving, I have to examine that data along with the application, that my application is working properly or not along with the data. Suppose you have ingested a record, you have ingested the record with the help of a scoop, right? So you have to strategize your scoop job, that whatever the data I have ingested from source to target, whether that data is perfect or not, is that data meeting my requirement or not. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
now this always target the huge amount of data, because big data is all about data, right? In traditional data we have some up to GBs of data, but in big data we have terabyte of up to petabyte of data. So we must familiar with the tools which can deal with the huge amount of data. So what are those tools? That can be Scoop, SDFS, Hive, Spark, any API, whether it is Python or Scala. Okay, so we should be aware of that tool also, because with the help of that tool only we are examining our data in the application and validating.
Okay.
Okay, big data testing require high set of testing skill, mainly focused on the performance and the functionality testing. Now we know nowadays everyone wants response time is less, right? So we must focus on the performance also. Generally tester in traditional system, I haven't seen tester are focusing on the performance side, they just validate their outcome. But in big data there are instances where a user or where a tester also look for the performance, because when you are dealing with a lot of data, so it's not like your job is running for hours and hours, then it's not up to the system mark. Your job should be quite optimized enough so that it should be done in few minutes. Okay, and it's all depend on the data which you are processing, and definitely the functionality, whatever the functional application we are building, my requirement or my user should accept my all the result set as per their functionality. Okay, huge data stored, processed and analyzed by many testing procedure to understand the characteristics and the uses of data. So there are various phases actually when we are working with the big data testing. That can be storing of the data, archiving of the data, validation of the data, processing of the data, analyzing of the data, reporting of the data. There are so many aspects, okay, that a tester should be aware of when he is doing the testing. When we work on any big data, so big data testing has three stages mainly: data ingestion, data processing, and whatever the output has been created, validation of that. Okay, so let's say this is my data source and this is my Hadoop system on which I'm getting the data. This is I'm processing, this is my target, and here my reporting. So my source system can be any RDBMS, weblog, media, anything. Here I might ingest my data. Okay, let's say by the scoop I have ingested the data. So there I need to check, okay boss, data has been ingested successfully or not, because once I got the desired data then only I can go for processing. Otherwise, stop your process right here. Okay, then processing, whatever the business transformation, whatever all the KPIs on which you need to work upon. You have to do the validation of the process also. If any of the process fail, then stop your process immediately. Do not load the data. Okay, then even after the loading we check, okay, because this data is going for analysis or the reporting purpose. Okay, so my data get loaded into desired form or not, that also a tester has to be check, validate. Otherwise what gonna happen, bi, your bi is a power bi tool, okay, that gonna create the report on the data. So what gonna happen if data is not correct in target tables, bi will receive the incorrect data and reporting team will create the incorrect reports, right? So a tester have to make sure that target the data which is taken by the bi team should be as per the requirement only. Clear? So we have the major three phases. Now our big data testing also can be categorized into various aspects. We can do some unit testing. There are some functional testing that we can do. Non-functional testing also we can do. There are performance testing and the architectural testing.